Namaste. In this class, we are going to learn alignment and adjustment of Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana is made up of two words, Paschim and Uttan. Paschim means back and Uttan means lengthening. So the purpose of this posture is to lengthen the whole back body, and that is the thing which many practitioners do wrong. They do not lengthen their back body properly. So in this class, we are going to learn how we have to lengthen the back body properly in seated forward fold or Paschimottanasana. Starting from the Dandasana, stretch your legs front, keep your palms beside of your thighs, pull your toes towards your side and try to engage your quadricep to pull your kneecap up. And do not try to lift your heel up from the mat because it is going to create hyperextension in the knee. Keep your heel down and then flex your toes towards your side. And with your palm, try to actively push the floor and try to lift your chest higher and try to do slight depression of the scapula with retraction. Now from here you have to lift your arms up, keep your palms little forward than your ear. Do not keep your palm exactly beside of your ear because to stretch your latissimus dorsi muscle, you need to keep your hands little forward. Now try to stretch your hand up like someone is pulling you from upside. That way you have to create a leg, and it is very important to create a slight anterior tilt in the pelvis. Now keep pulling your toes towards your side and keep stretching your upper body upside. Now take a deep breath in, and with slow exhalation, try to do hinging movement from your hip and try to go down as possible by you. Keep one thing in mind, do not overforce yourself in this posture. Now you have to catch your big toe from inside with your middle finger, index finger and the thumb. Make a strong grip. Yes. Now try to bend more down and try to bend your elbow to the outside. Keep going down as possible. Okay. So you will notice many practitioners struggle to go completely down in this posture. For them, you can use a very simple modification is to bend the knees. Bend your knees slightly and try to touch your belly on your thigh. Even if you will do this, they are going to feel the stretch on their back body and the hamstring body. But you have to use this modification as a progression. Don't use this modification every time. Okay. Now again, one more time, come back. Same way you have to come back. Stretch your hands front, then slowly come back. Now, so what happens many times, practitioner doesn't understand how they have to do anterior tilt from the pelvis. So there you can come and you can assist them. So you have to keep one thing in mind. You are assisting them, not adjusting them. You have to just guide them and don't take charge. You can just take your index finger, middle finger and thumb and try to find their pelvis bone. Okay, after holding their pelvis bone, again ask them to inhale, then exhale, and with your index and middle finger try to move the pelvis down, and from your thumb try to give your pelvis lift from the back side to make them understand how they have to move from the pelvis. Try to go more down, inhale, then exhale. Okay, and here one more important thing, many practitioners think the aim of this posture is to completely flatten the spine, and that is completely wrong because you need to understand the anatomy of your spine. Our lower spine is convex, so even if it is looking flat, that is completely fine, but our middle spine and upper spine is little concave, so it is very important. Just focus on the lengthening, like try to touch your head on my hand, try to touch. Yes, create the length here. Even after creating the length, a little hunch is coming onto your spine. That is completely normal because your upper spine is concave. Now try to go more down as much as possible. Yes, very good, very good. Now at last you can also relax your head down if you want to, but you have to again focus on creating the length, not touching your head on the knees. Same way, stretch your hands front. Again, you can place your hand on the pelvis and then try to lift their pelvis up and try to do posterior tilt little bit here. Now release your hands down, come back. This is the alignment and adjustment of Paschimottanasana. See you in the next class. Namaste.